Hello everyone, welcome back to Heal and Restore. Today we're diving into some life-changing health habits that have truly transformed my life, and I believe they can do the same for you. So let's get started on this journey to better health together. First up, let's talk about healthy eating habits. It is always best to eat wholesome and fresh prepared food. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains. We aim to have a good amount of healthy, unrefined fats and important proteins in our diet. But it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. When you're eating, take your time and enjoy each bite. Trust me, eating slowly not only makes your meal more enjoyable, but also helps with digestion and keeps you full longer. If you're doing physical work, aim for 3 meals a day. If you're mostly in the office, 2 meals might be enough. This helps maintain a balanced metabolism and avoids unnecessary snacking. Speaking of snacks, try to resist snacking between meals. Give your body time to properly digest and regulate blood sugar levels. Avoid eating right before bed. It can disrupt your sleep and affect your metabolism. Don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day. And here's a tip to prevent glucose spikes. Avoid eating anything sweet on an empty stomach. Save sweet treats for dessert after a savory meal. Next, let's talk about physical activity. Starting your day with a bit of exercise can do wonders. I usually start my day with a little workout routine. Most of the time, it consists of 3 sets of push-ups, 3 sets of pull-ups, and 3 sets of squats. Sometimes, with my kids on top, followed by a 30-minute fast walk with our 3 dogs. This routine boosts my energy, warms up my muscles and joints, and helps prevent injuries. With a family history of back problems, these exercises are crucial for keeping my back healthy and preventing injuries. Now, let's focus on mental health practices. These habits have been game changers for me. As a Christian, I spend time reading my Bible and praying in the mornings. This practice improves my focus and helps me tackle the day with a calm attitude. When stress piles up, I find solace in singing quietly to myself. Calm and happy songs, especially those about blessings, the wonders of nature and worship songs. Even if you're not a singer, try it. It's a great way to uplift your spirits. Building strong relationships and setting healthy boundaries are key to emotional well-being. Maintain healthy relationships and stay connected with loved ones. Learn to set boundaries to protect your well-being. It's important to know when to say no. Participate in community activities and give back. It provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember, giving and blessing others brings satisfaction and true happiness, far beyond material gains. Healthy lifestyle choices are the foundation of overall well-being. I personally don't drink alcohol, smoke, or take drugs. I also avoid coffee and refined sugars. These substances might give a momentary boost, but can deplete your body in the long run. Instead of chasing a huge income, I prioritize spending quality time with my beautiful wife and 3 kids. We live off the grid on a small homestead, growing our own food and keeping chickens for eggs. This lifestyle greatly contributes to our health and happiness. Let's recap the key habits we've discussed: healthy eating, regular physical activity, mental health practices, healthy social habits, and mindful lifestyle choices. These habits have transformed my life, and I believe they can do the same for you. Start incorporating them into your daily routine and see the positive changes unfold. Set a goal to adopt 1 new healthy habit each week. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any questions or personal experiences you'd like to share? Let's discuss and support each other on this journey to better health. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired and ready to take charge of your health. Stay committed to your health journey, and remember, it's the small, consistent habits that make the biggest difference. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further support. Let's continue to grow and thrive together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.